In this video, I will guide you how to move text in MS Paint. So for this, you need to click on the home and click on the text. Draw a text box and type the desired text. So once you click outside the text box, Paint flattens the text in the image. To move it now, you must see the selection tool over here. You can also click on the home and you will see that the selection tool. Now click on the text tool and draw a rectangle box around the text you want to move. Now, when you see this four-sided black arrow, now it is ready to drag and move. So drag it and move anywhere on the paint surface like this one. So I hope you understand how you can move text in Paint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.